Welcome everyone, I'm Jens Beisel, Head of Marketing at Modiworks. Today I'm talking to Ben Weber, who leads business development and strategic partnerships in our business area Digital Dentistry. Hi Ben.
Hi Jens.
Ben, we're here to talk about clear aligner fabrication. Could you please explain the relevance of clear aligners in digital dentistry?
Sure. Clear aligners are orthodontic devices which can be used instead of braces. So they're less intimidating for patients, and they mean that we no longer have to associate straightening of teeth with obtrusive braces, so metal in the mouth.
Yeah, I think a lot of people will be happy about not having to wear obtrusive braces anymore. But why are clear aligners becoming relevant now?
Well, there are more and more providers of clear aligners with various business models, such as the conventional orthodontic practice model, or even remote kits, doing the impression from home and getting the clear aligners mailed out. And overall, they're more accessible to the average patient. And due to the wide range of suppliers, there is a lower entry price into the treatment.
That's good news, actually. Let's talk about the fabrication process. That's interesting. How does it work?
Well, the design is achieved in orthodontic planning software. And this software outputs the patient's plan into many models. A patient could need 10 or 20 unique aligners or even more. Now, these models are 3D printed. They're then thermoformed with a clear foil, and that foil is essentially the aligner. And there's one last step of the process. The excess material needs to be trimmed off.
That actually brings me to the question, what types of challenges do the manufacturers of aligners face?
Well, manufacturers require an efficient process which ensures high quality. But to make a higher profit, you need to be able to scale up. You need automation, especially in high labor cost markets. The consistency of quality is also crucial. That helps you keep a loyal client base. And at the end, it all boils down to the TrimLine. Now, that determines the aesthetic quality of the aligner and also whether it's a comfortable fit for the patient.
Thank you, Ben. Could you explain Modiworks' product line for clear aligner fabrication?
Sure. We have two products. The first one is TrimLine Finder, and that automatically determines the optimal position and shape of the digital trimline based on the CAD geometry. And this means that the time-consuming manual drawing can be avoided. The second product is TrimLine NC. And this automates the trimming process. So we have intelligent algorithms which automatically generate a collision-free NC code, which respects the machine limits. And this creates a clean, high-quality trim. And most importantly, it creates this in less time. And TrimFinder NC can be scaled into any fabrication environment, whether it's a 4-axis mill, a 5-axis mill, or even a robotic arm. And this works with single arches or batches of multiple arches.
Indeed, some very interesting products. I'm asking myself, how can this be integrated into Modiworks partner solutions? How does that work?
TrimLine Finder and TrimLine NC are software components which our partners can integrate into their own software. Alternatively, for partners who don't have a software solution, we can provide a standalone solution. So overall, the integration is very quick, and that fits our concept of getting there faster.
Thank you so much for answering the questions. These were some very interesting insights into the clear aligner fabrication process. Well, we hope that you have enjoyed this video as well. And if you don't want to miss any news in the digital dentistry business area, please subscribe to our newsletter and to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching us, and see you next time.